Good morning, friends. Welcome to our channel. Have you ever said ad instead of advertisement or flu instead of influenza? If yes, that means you are using clip words. Clip words are those words which are used in informal style. They are used in general language or informal writing style as well, जिसको आप हिंदी में संक्षिप्त शब्द भी कहते हैं. इनको आप डे टू डे लैंग्वेजेस में यूज़ करते हैं अपनी बात को समझाने के लिए. नाउ लेट्स लुक एट द टाइप्स ऑफ क्लिप वर्ड्स. क्लिप वर्ड्स आर यूज्ड इन वेरियस टाइप्स. लेट्स सी देम वन बाय वन. फर्स्ट इज फ्रंट. In front type of clip words, front portion of the word has been removed, but the real meaning would be the same. For an example, telephone. People don't say telephone these days. They say, where is my phone? If they say, where is my phone, that means they are asking about their phone. वो पूछ रहे हैं कि मेरा phone कहाँ है. They don't say telephone. Next is aeroplane. I have booked 2 tickets of the plane. That means मैंने plane की 2 tickets book की हैं. They don't say aeroplane. This is called front clipping. Number 2 is back clipping. Back clipping is like in which back portion of the word has been removed and front portion has been kept. For an example, advertisement. You don't say advertisement. I have seen an ad on the TV. That means you have seen an ad of KBC on the TV. Next is info. You don't say information. I have an important info about you. That means information. Next is middle clipping. In middle clipping is a clipping in which middle portion has been kept, back and front portion has been removed. And now let's look at the example. Influenza. Doctor does not say influenza. Doctor says he is affected with flu. Flu is some kind of infectious disease. Next is refrigerator. People don't say refrigerator. They say fridge. I have kept a chocolate in the fridge for my niece. So these words are called middle clipping words. Next is complex clipping. Complex clipping is a combination of 2 words. For an example, motel. Motel is a place where you can keep your vehicle also, and you can stay for a while. It is a combination of motor plus hotel. This is called complex clipping. So it is called motel. Next word is sitcom. Sitcom is a situation comedy. Johnny Lever is well-known actor for his sitcom. Sitcom is a situation comedy. So these are the example of clip words. So I hope friends you have understood clip words. Clip words ऐसे शब्द होते हैं जिनको हिंदी में संक्षिप्त शब्द कहा जाता है, जो आप एक जनरल और इनफॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में उपयोग में लाते हैं, और इनको लोग फ़ोन में चैट करते वक्त या बातचीत करते वक्त या कॉल पे बात करते वक्त इनको आप उपयोग करते हैं. Let's have a recap, friends. There are 4 types of clip words: front clipping, telephone, aeroplane, phone, plane. Back clipping, advertisement, ad, information, info. Middle clipping, influenza, flu, refrigerator, fridge. Complex clipping, hotel, motor. The combination is motel. Last one is sitcom, that is called situation comedy. So I hope friends you have used or you have understood this meaning of these clip words, and you will use these clip words in your day-to-day language. I hope you have liked this video, friends, and if you have some clip words into your mind, write down on comment section. We will be definitely liking your comments. Thank you very much, friends, to join with us on this video. Have a nice day, and do connect with us to get more videos of such interesting information. Bye bye.